This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Loops Theater District, just a short block south of the fabulous Riverwalk, for a tour of one of the apartments at the landmark Century Tower. I'm looking at the foyer of Unit 703, where there's space for a home office desk, or hall console table, a bench, armoire, whatever. The unit has a very sleek bath, wall-mounted medicine cabinet. It's a nice sized shower with a frameless glass door. Attractive gray tile in the tub surround and on the flooring. We've got gray plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. We have a very sleek kitchen. Stainless steel appliance package. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Quartz counters, tile backsplash. Cabinet with a front-loading washer-dryer. An undermount stainless steel sink. Faucet with a spray attachment. Dishwasher. Built-in microwave. Good cabinet and counter space. The model has a ledge for dining. Coat closet has shelving on multiple levels. Then you have a living area. Can accommodate a great size sectional and some additional furniture. Space for a dining table here if you wanted. Windows on two sides, facing south and facing west. Bedroom 2 is the larger of the two bedrooms. Double hanging in the closets. And a high shelf for additional storage and hanging longer items. You have roller blinds on the windows, you have high ceilings. Heading into the smaller of the two bedrooms. Again, multiple levels of shelving in the closet. Attractive package in a terrific location. Walked everything. It's a short block south of the Riverwalk. Upgraded units. Terrific finishes. Really need to see this one. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.